Welcome! Let's dive in and solve an interesting math problem.
Read the question carefully. Grab a pencil and a calculator or tablet, and let's solve and verify the answer together.
Let's excitedly walk through the step-by-step solution of this problem.
Step 1. We are given 7 raised to the power x plus 7 raised to the power x plus 7 raised to the power x plus 7 raised to the power x equals 1,372. Since the same term is repeated 4 times, we combine them and say 4 times 7 raised to the power x equals 1,372. Step 2. Now divide both sides by 4 to make the power term alone. 7 raised to the power x equals 1,372 divided by 4, which is 343. Step 3. Next, we express 343 in terms of base 7. 343 equals 7 to the third power. So we can say 7 raised to the power x equals 7 raised to the power 3. Step 4. When the bases are the same, the exponents must be equal, so x equals 3, and correct option is B.
So, did you find the video helpful? Was your solution the same or a little different? If you liked the video, don't forget to share it with your loved ones and let them know they're on your mind. And make sure to subscribe to the channel for upcoming videos.